How has been your experience at IMTEX 2025?
It has been a great experience, IMTEX 2025, and we are proud to showcase more than 40 products here at AMD's call, AceMicromatic, the largest machine tool builder of the country. And we have nearly 14 different machines have come out in this stall from the MCD division. And I'm very proud to showcase we are covering the different segments, starting from particularly the country is moving toward the AMS. We are focusing on the AMS segment, we are focusing on the aerospace segment, and also focusing on the medical sector. And these are the critical areas.
So many machines in the exhibition, people are telling the trendsetter in technology in machining is ACE. So, while speaking of several machines now, can we actually have a brief look at these machines and you can narrate it?
The thing is, we are focusing on the solutions, not the product.
Okay.
And the solution is always embedded with the segments.
Okay.
The dominant segment is that of the EMS segment. That's the first thing to begin with. And then we're moving on to the aerospace segment. And let me showcase the product here. Right now, I have the DTC 400XL, and this is a product which is tailor-made for the EMS segment. And the product here is a 24,000 RPM. And also the BBT 30, and the machine is made with the cement. And what you can see here is the machine is the compact width. We can see the width of the machine. It's 1100 millimeters, where you can put the number of machines side by side. One operator can work with the many machines, and this is for the footprint revolution what we are trying to do it. We generally, it's a 1 meter less than 999. That's the kind of machine, and here it is coming out with a very small footprint. And let me showcase here. I have a product here. There's a new launch here, sir, BB40. What you can say is it's meant for the non-metal. It is for the glass machining, ceramic, glass, and such kind of material. The beauty of the design here is it is on the elevated. The machining is happening at the bottom and all the sides on the top side. And also the spindle speed is with 32,000 RPM. And proud to showcase the machining with cement, the latest technology. Let me move on here. We have the graphite machining. This is a 20,000 RPM spindle speed, 540 G30. And the graphite, it is for the electrode, the batteries and the electrodes, and the Baba Atomic Research Institute. And that's where it can do both the dry cutting and also the wet cutting. And this is about the short version of the product. And let me showcase here. We move here, we have got the automation here. What we are trying to showcase here, we have an HPM, we have a turning machine, we have the machining center, we have got the rope. Now all those things put together, the finish end to end. You put the rod in there at the first machine, you get the finished product outside. And we are trying to showcase the capability of the complete solution of the automation. Let me take you to the next machine here. You just go here. I'm talking about the reliability. Let me see here. There is something to showcase here for you. This is a machine which is 26-year-old. This machine is 26-year-old. The machine was sold 26 years back. Even today is working. We brought it from the customer. The point what we are trying to showcase here is the system and the machine mechanical element. They're all intact and they're all working fine even today after 26 years. Let me move on to the next machine here. We had this machine, and this machine 1370V, and this product is made for the die mold and the pattern making machine. And the beauty of this product, you have price sensitive product, you have fit in such a way that there will be huge demand for this kind of machine in the country today. And let me showcase one more machine here. We talk about the aerospace industry, and this product ACER 75 exclusively for the aerospace industry. Precision and accuracy are the two key parameters on which this machine is designed. We have the bolt through cooling, we have got the spindle cooling, and the linear scale for the axis to get the accuracy. You can see the components here, what has been done on this thing. The typical of this component, which is meant for the aerospace industry. Let me take you to the journey for the 5-axis machines. What we have here, this is a machine again for the aerospace industries. The GV65C and the 5-axis table has been put. We are working with a company called Shoda to make the routers. The routers are the one machine. The first machine is showcased here. Let me take you here. The Shoda is generally it is used for the bakelite. It is used for the non-metallic or metallic. And here are some of the samples. You can see the bakelite and plastic, nylon, aluminium, plastic, every type of material is there. The kind of finish what we have and the kind of texture what we have is unparalleled. This is the first machine, the new launch in the project. Already we received the 10 machine order on the day one for this. The machine is built here and being exported to Japan. And let me take you to the double column machine here. The beauty of this machine, the machines are required as a mother machine to produce our critical parts. But the machine, what we are showcasing here is the 2512 2-meter X-axis stroke machine. We have a complete range, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters and 5 meters. And this is going to be a game changer, particularly for the railways, for the defense, the large size of the component. This machine can take a 5-ton component weight on the table and do the machining. And let me take you to the twin spindle ADL MCD ACE Designers Limited Machining Division, the largest producer of twin spindle machine in the world. And the machine is having the 2 spindles with a rotary pallet changer and with a W axis of 20 millimeter for one of the slides. And this is a highly productive. You can see the footprint of the machine, a machine of the same size and with the 2 spindles, and we can have the double the productivity. And one operator can work on this particular machine and have the double the productivity. And this is a high productive machine, particularly for the caliper housing, particularly for the brake components. It's a very good success story what we have, and we are the largest sale of the machines what we have done. Let me take you to the GB40, another important launch here, a BT30 machine with 12,000 RPM and with a rotary pallet changer, and I can have the rotary table mounted on either side, and footprint is very small. It is a 1280 the footprint, very compact, productivity and a workhorse. This is what the product what we have. For the education sector, to popularize the machine tool technology, let me take you to the smallest machine, which is for the educational sector. What you can see here is we have the EDMILL, and this product is for the skill enhancer for the country, both machining center, a small machining center and also turning. It's called the EDMILL, and it is not only for the education institution. You can machine any type of the material on this thing. It's a productive machine. You can very well use it, and you can see the turning. And they're all the tabletop machines. It means like the desktop what you have on the computer, these are tabletop machines. First of its kind in India, coming out, rolling out from the ACE Designers Limited.
Thank you, Muralidhara sir. It has been an excellent information what you have given us. For all the machines which has been displayed here, I think this was the finest opportunity to speak about so many machines, so much about technology in a brief 4 to 5 minutes. Thank you.
We have a one-stop solution. ACE Designers Limited is a one-stop solution for the customers in India and abroad.